Hello everyone, today I have a video about the TR fan. Here you can see the water supply piping by this PPR supply supplies to the fan here. This is the drain pan and this is the motor and the flood switch, and you can see the water are dripping here. When the fan running, the water will dripping on the filter, and I will show the filters. When the fan hits the filters, when the fan is running and the water are dripping on this filter, it will reduce the temperature of the room. We can reduce the temperature to 31, 32 or 33 by this fan is changing the temperatures. I want to share about this fan because it is a good option to use for if you have a big hall and we want to get a comfortable temperature without using the air conditioner. We can use the fan instead of using air conditioner. This is the main piping that supply the water into this fan. Yes, and here is the connection. We can connections by this fan. It is working by the flood switch as I have showed the video. Okay, thank you everybody.